5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a personal home theater, just under 4,700 square feet and priced at $1.75 million. This is 3098 Wyndham Way, and it's a property that is perfectly suited for a Wyndham wine mixer. Thank you for taking the time to tour this incredible property with us today. Our team takes a tremendous amount of pride in our unique approach to listing real estate. Now, if you are thinking about selling, please reach out to me directly. I would be honored to help.